Can you guys even see me? I'm trying to like be all cool and stuff, filming through my rear view mirror glass. Alright, never mind, because it's clearly not working. But what it do, baby? Leave a like if you know where that's from. Alright, so I'm gonna try to show how to fix some of these rattles in this car. Well, two to be exact. Their center console armrest, and then the driver's seat. And if you didn't know already, your Mark 7 MQB GTI, Golf, R, whatever else comes with a fully loaded rattle package. So if your car is not rattling, you can always take it back to the dealership and they will make it rattle again, 100% covered under warranty, even if you're tuned. All right, so for the center console, I don't know if this applies to the Golf Rs, because I know the Mark 7 Golf Rs, your center consoles don't open like this, like the GTIs and the regular Golfs. At least I think the regular Golf ones open, but for the people that do have it open, when this thing is rattling, right, it's because when you pull it out, there's this piece of plastic here that rattles. Like, I don't get what it does. It just rattles. Like, this is so annoying. Even if you're just playing music that's too loud, it will start rattling because of the bass. And there are two solutions to fix this. First one is I've seen people just forcibly take this piece out, rip it apart. But if you don't want to do that, you can always just kind of put tape on it. So if you're one of those people that don't want to rip it out, you can always just put tape on it. Like I said, this is just a sloppy job. I just put some painter's tape on it, but you get the idea. It's just for demonstration purposes, but now it rattles a lot less. And the second one is the driver's seat, and I don't really have a good way to demonstrate this, so just look at this. But if you put your seat all the way down, it just, I don't know if you hear that. Hold up. Like, if you move around, it will start squeaking like that if your seat is all the way down. Yeah, if you put your seat all the way down, and if you go over like a speed bump or you're moving around in your seat, it will like creak. And the way to fix that is just obviously just like pull it one or twice out of the lower setting, and that fixes it. Yeah, that fixes it. And then another rattle that I know of, but I can't figure out a way to fix, is like under my steering wheel column. Like, there's a piece or something here seems always to be rattling if I'm like going over a bumpy road or something, but I can't find a fix for that. So if you have something, or if you know how to fix that, leave it in the comments to let everybody else know, and me as well. So yeah, that's about it. Those are the two that I know how to confidently fix. If there's one that you know, feel free to leave in the comments to let me know and everybody else know. And catch you guys in the next one.